Are you tired of your Jira board being a mess because you can't track those big company-wide initiatives? You know the ones, the kind that spans multiple sprints and multiple teams. You end up shoving everything into epics, and suddenly your roadmap looks like spaghetti. Well, I've got a fix for you. In under 5 minutes, we're going to add a dedicated initiative issue type to your Jira project. And trust me, it'll change everything. So here is the plan. We are going to dive into your project settings, create a brand new work type called Initiative, give it a proper description and icon, and then I'll show you how to create your very first initiative issue. Let's get to it. First, just head over to your Jira account. I'm assuming you're already logged in. Go ahead and open the project where you want this new initiative type to live. If you've got a side panel on the left, just click on your project name. Now, this is the part where a lot of people get lost. At the very top of your screen, right next to your project's name, you'll see 3 little dots. Click on those. A drop-down menu will appear, and you want to select Space Settings. You might see Project Settings, depending on your version, but it's the same idea. Once you're in the settings, look at the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see an option that says Work Type. Click on that. This is the control center for all the different kinds of issues your team can create. And right in the middle of the screen, you'll see a big blue button that says Add Work Type. Go ahead and click it. A new form will pop up. First, give it a name. I'm going to type in Initiative. Make sure it's capitalized, just like that. And here's a pro tip I've learned from doing this a bunch of times. You can add a description right here. Something like high-level goal spanning multiple epics and teams. It helps everyone know exactly when to use this type versus a story or an epic. Next up, choose an icon. Jira gives you a bunch of options, or you can upload your own image. I usually just pick the flag icon or the rocket ship. Makes it stand out on the board. Once you've got that sorted, just click Create. All right, give it a second to process. Now, let's go back to your project. You can just click on the project name in the breadcrumb at the top of the page. You should see your board or backlog. Let's make sure this thing works. At the very top of the screen, click the blue Create button. A dialog box will open. This is where you choose what kind of issue you're making. Look for the drop-down that says Work Type. Click on it, and you should see Initiative sitting right there alongside Stories and Tasks. Select it. Now you have to give it a summary. This is required, just like any other issue. Type in something like Launch New Customer Onboarding Portal or Q4 Platform Migration. Once you've got your summary, click the final Create button. And that is it. You've just created your first initiative issue. Now you can link your epics to it, and suddenly your entire roadmap has a clear, top-level structure. No more abusing epics and losing sight of the big picture. Your team is going to thank you for this one. Go ahead and give it a try.